In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change logo on QuickBooks Invoice 2026. By the end, your invoices will display your brand exactly the way you want, so every bill you send looks polished and professional. Start by signing in to QuickBooks Online. Make sure you're in the correct company file, especially if you manage more than one. You'll need the right permissions to edit forms, so if you don't see the options I mentioned, check that you're signed in with access to company settings. Once you're in, look to the upper right and click the gear icon. From that menu, select Custom Form Styles. This is where QuickBooks keeps your invoice templates and other sales forms. If you don't see it right away, you might be in a different view. Switching to the Accountant view usually reveals all form style options. In the list that appears, find the invoice style you currently use and click Edit. If you're not sure which one is active, look for the one marked as the default, or compare the name to what you see when you open a recent invoice. Editing the correct style ensures your new logo shows up where you expect. Inside the editor, go to the Design tab. This is the section where you control layout, colors, fonts, and of course your logo. It's a good place to preview how the visual elements come together so your branding stays consistent. Next, click Change Logo if a logo is already there, or Add Logo if you don't have one set yet. QuickBooks supports common image types like PNG and JPG. For best results, use a high-resolution image, ideally a PNG with a transparent background so it looks clean on any template color. Keep the file size reasonable to prevent blurriness when printed. Upload your logo file from your computer. After it loads, QuickBooks places it in the standard spot on the invoice. If options appear to tweak size or placement, make subtle adjustments so the logo is crisp and balanced. Aim for a logo that's large enough to be readable but not so big that it crowds your invoice details. If it looks fuzzy, try a higher resolution version and avoid very thin text in the image. When you're satisfied, click Done to save. Your changes apply to that specific style. A quick tip: create or preview an invoice using this style to confirm the logo displays correctly on screen and in print. If the colors seem off, use an RGB image and avoid overly dark backgrounds behind the logo. That's it. Your updated logo is now part of your invoice template. Save your file somewhere safe so you can reuse it across other forms for a consistent brand look.